Is GrindBux really a fast, free way to get cash and crypto, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and many of my viewers have recently asked me to check out this platform, and therefore I decided to record this GrindBux review and tutorial where I'll give you an inside look and show exactly how it works and share my opinion about it so you can find out if you should join this platform or not. So let's start by going over who can join, and GrindBux, as far as I've been able to find out, is available in more or less all countries, and it is free to join, and it is also free to use the earning options there. However, that doesn't mean that it's necessarily worth it, so let's take an inside look and see how you can earn and how you can get paid so you can find out if you should join or not. So I have now logged into GrindBux and you can see the different options in the menu. At first it seems like it's quite user friendly, but that's actually not quite the case in my personal opinion once you start using the platform, not compared to many other platforms. And I've tested hundreds of different free ways to make money online. But let me just go over it and then you can see, so you can also find out what it actually offers when you just dig a little bit deeper. So you first go to this earn option. This is where you can find the earning opportunities. Most other sites, they have it divided so you can find like surveys, paid offers, different kind of ways. But here they just have like a long list of different offer walls and survey providers mixed together. And they do work with quite a decent number of them, but then some of them, when you click them, you can't get access to until you reach a certain level, you see, but you can't see that until you click. So you need to reach at least level 5. But like, why don't they just write that here? That's one of the many things that I find is not so user-friendly on GrindBux. That's just my personal opinion. Maybe they will improve this, but at the time of recording this video, that's how it is. And also, many of them, you see, they open up in a new screen and then it just looks like this. It's a little bit confusing compared to many other get paid to sites where you have the different offer walls and survey providers so integrated into the platform, so you still feel like you are on the platform, but here it kind of opens up in a new screen and it's just a little bit inconvenient in my personal opinion. But other than that, you can find the same paid offers as you can on most other platforms. You can click, you can see I need to complete a certain number of events within 40 days and then I would get this number of points. We'll go over what the points are worth a little bit later. So it has a decent number of different paid offers and paid service. Overall, the rewards are not quite as high as the top paying get paid to sites in my personal experience. I will also leave a link below to a list I have of my top recommended and top paying get paid to sites, so you can check that out after watching this video if you find out this is not for you. But this is basically where you find the earning methods. As you can see, you can also join the Discord channel for different giveaways and also promo codes, so that can also be a way to get a little bit extra. They also do have some leaderboard contests, so let's also go over those before we talk about the payout options. So you can see there are like different contests where you can win. For example, monthly is $50 for the top earner, and then there's some rewards for other earners. So it's great that you can get some extra rewards just by being active. But as you can see, for example, the top earner daily is $2.50 and the monthly is $50. Like, compared to some of the best get paid to site that have a lot of different contests, these rewards are fairly low, but at least they do have some, and I do like that aspect because it's not something you need to do something extra. It's just by being active, then you might end up here and get a little bit extra. But let's now then talk about how you can get paid and how fast you can get paid to see if it's something worth investing your time into. So I now jump to the shop section, and this is also a little bit confusing in my opinion, that most other platforms call it like cash out or redeem or something like that, but here it's called shop, and it's just something you need to get used to. But often on get paid to site, when it's a shop, it's something where you get like cashback options or something like that. This is just, that's just how it is. You just need to know that. But you can then see it has cash and crypto. At the time of recording this video, PayPal has been disabled. I cannot say when and if it will become available again. I know it has been available previously, but right now it is not. We'll have to wait and see if it becomes available again. But if you then prefer cash, you can also get paid via Visa cards here. But what is then strange, like again, you see I click it and nothing happens. Usually when you click a payout option on other platforms, then it it shows you more, but this is a little bit confusing because if I click Visa and then I need to scroll down and then I can see here what the fee would be and what it would cost. But again, they are actually not completely clear about how much is this then in dollars. But from what I've been able to find out, as you can see here, like 1,000 points is usually around $1. So that means that there's a fee of 50 cents for this one. But you can see here, for example, yeah, then I can choose also one that is like higher there, but then the fee also becomes higher, as you can see. And again, I don't understand why they don't just write like what is the dollar amount here. That's just very confusing. One of the many things that where they could really improve the usability, in my opinion. And also the fees are quite high there. They just keep increasing if you take out more. But you can see also, for example, like crypto, they have like Solana. I haven't really seen many get paid to sites that offer Solana and Bitcoin Cash, but I've seen many that, for example, offer Bitcoin. They for some reason don't offer that, but they do offer Visa. But I will also leave a link below, like depending on what you prefer. If you prefer getting paid in Bitcoin, I have a list of the best platforms, free ways to earn Bitcoin on my website. I'll leave that. I also have a list of the best free ways to earn Visa, and also I do have a list of the best free methods to earn PayPal Cash, because right now that's not available here. So if you prefer that, I'll leave all those links below so you can go there and check that out. But you can also get different gift cards. Again, here, for example, I like that here that says, you know, $10. So there we can confirm that 10,000 is actually $10. So 1,000 points is worth $1. But for some reason, you see, when you have the Visa card, they don't write that there. For Amazon, they also have it there. So there we can also see it. But the payout threshold is fairly low. The lowest here, as you can see here, is for Litecoin. Here you can see you only need to earn 25 cents, so you can get paid very quickly for certain rewards, but you know, that is for crypto. For the other rewards, it is around $5 you need to earn to get paid. But overall, some good payout options. There are some things that it's not so user-friendly. There are a few methods that I would prefer that they also offered. But overall, I like that they do have a low payout threshold and quite a good number of different rewards, so you can find something no matter your preferences. So to sum it all up, GrindBux is a legit platform and a legit free way to earn some extra cash or crypto. However, the usability of the site is not quite as good as many other get paid to sites, in my personal opinion. And the rewards are also not quite as high as some of the top get paid to sites. But it can be a way to earn a bit extra. But personally, it's not a platform I will really invest my time in. I prefer using other platforms instead, because there are just many other effective ways to earn. As mentioned earlier, I will leave links below to a list I have of the best ways to earn free PayPal Cash, free Bitcoin, or free Visa cards. So no matter what you prefer earning there, you can go there and check out those platforms. Many of those platforms also offer other rewards if you prefer, for example, gift cards or other types of rewards. So make sure to check that out. But no matter what, I also hope this video helped you. And if it did, then make sure to hit the like button. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video, tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.